How to fix Windows 11 randomly shutdown? First step, check for overheating. If the PC shut down while gaming or performing a heavy task, overheating is the major possibilities. Check it and move on with next step. Open run and type the following text mdsched.exe. Type it correctly and click OK. Check your computer for memory problems. Click restart now and check for problems. Click it. Then move on with next step. Check your drive free space. If you're not having enough memory space, means sometimes the error will occur. Keep sufficient free space. Around 10 to 50% free space is required, is recommended. Then scan. Successfully scanned. Close it. Then move on with next step. Prepare Windows system files. Open CMD. Right click run as administrator and type the following text. sfc space / scan now. Click enter. Wait for some times. The process will take some time because until you verifying your files in your device. Verification is completed. Exit it. Next step, open run and type the following text CLEANMGR. Type it correctly and click OK. Select the drive. Select the files you are going to delete. Select it. If you are not aware, means you need to click view files and verify it. Click OK and click delete files. Wait for some time to completely delete the files. Move on with next step. Click settings. Click system settings. Scroll down. Click recovery settings. Click reset this PC and click reset PC. Choose an option, it depends on you. Keep my files or remove everything. The keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. But remove everything, remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. I go with keep my files. How would you like to reinstall Windows? Cloud download or local reinstall? I go with local reinstall. If you want to change the settings, means you can change it, depends on you, and click next. Ready to reset this PC? Check it and click reset. Thank you.